Khilafat movement was started by Pandit Malavia. Treaty of Lausanne was signed in 1923. Mustafa Kemal, first President of Turkey on October 23, 1923. Ataturk means the father of Turks. Caliphate was abolished in 1924. Last Caliph of Turkish state was Abdul Majid Effendi. Hijrat movement took place in 1924. Rishami Rumal movement of 1915 started by Maulana Mahmud ul Hasan. Lord Ripon is associated with the Hunter Commission. Lord Dalhousie is associated with Wood's Dispatch. Lord Cornwallis is associated with permanent settlement of Bengal. Delhi proposals presented by Quaid-e-Azam in March 1927. Nehru Report was produced by Motilal Nehru in 1928. Shoaib Qureshi was one Muslim member who took part in writing the Nehru Report. 14 points of Mahajana came in March 1929 from Delhi. Simon Commission 1927 visited India in 1928 and consisted of 7 members. British Cabinet Minister Cripps came to India in March 1942. Civil disobedience movement started by Gandhi on March 12, 1930. Simon Commission submitted its report in 1930. IST session of Round Table Conferences from November 12, 1930 to January 19, 1931. Maud, Ali Johar participated in it. Congress was absent. Congress absent in first RDC, leaders were in jail due to civil disobedience. Leader in the first RDC was Aga Khan III. Quaid attended RDC 1, not attended RDC 2 and 3. After RDC 1, he renounced politics and pursued lawyership. The PM of England during first round table was Ramsay MacDonald. Second session of RDC from September 7, 1931 to 31 STSCP 1931. Gandhi represented Congress. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was made on March 5, 1931. Third session of RDC from 17 Nov 1932 to 24 DEC, 1932. British opposition did not participate in RDC 3, paper of RDC published in Marquee 1933. Begum Shahnawaz attended 1 RDC. Maud, Ali Johar started Comrade and Hamdard, 1912, from Calcutta. Name of Bayaman was Abidi Begum. Check Aphrodite Begum, Maud, Ali Johar born IN 1878 at Rampur and died at the age of 54 on 4 Jan, 1931 at London and was buried in Baitul Maqdis, Jerusalem. Wife of Maud, Ali Johar was Amjadi Begum. Maulana Shaukat Ali, the elder brother of Maud, Ali was born in 1872 and died on November 28, 1938 and buried at Jamia Mosque, Delhi. Zamidar, 1903, started by Zafar Ali Khan from Lahore. Daily Dawn, 1942, by Quaid. Daily Jang, 1940, by Mir Khalil Rehman. Daily Al-Hilal by Abdul Kalam. Ch. Ramat Ali is associated with Delhi Darbar. In 1908, Iqbal was awarded Ph.D. from Munich University for Persian philosophy. Allama Iqbal born on November 9, 1877 at Sialkot and died on April 21, 1938. Allama Iqbal was tutored by Mulvi Syed Mir Hassan. Iqbal was elected as a member of Punjab Legislative Assembly in 1926 and chosen President of ML in 1930. Jinnah means lion. Jinnah means thiner. He was 5 feet, 11½ inches in height. Quaid got education of law from Lincoln's Inn. Quaid used by Malvi Mazarul Haq in newspaper Al-Aman. Wife of Quaid was Ratan Bai. Quaid's father was Jinnah Punja. Jinnah Punja was born in 1850 and married with Mithibai. Punja was grandfather of Quaid. Jinnah joined Congress in 1906 and in 1913 ML in London. Quaid born on December 25, 1876 and died on September 11, 1948. Jinnah joined ML on the insistence of Maud, Ali Johar and Syed Wazir Hassan. www.thealpapers.com. Jinnah went to London and got law degree at the age of 18 from Lincoln Inn. Sir Din Shah was the father of Ratna, the wife of Jinnah. Ratna embraced Islam on April 18, 1918 and married Jinnah on April 19, 1918. Before that she was Parsi. She died on February 20, 1929 and was buried in Arambagh, Bombay. Dinah, the daughter of Jinnah was born on August 14, 1919. Dinah married a Parsi boy named Naval Wadia. Jinnah left the lawyership after March 23, 1940 and returned to India in April 1934. Pakistan National Movement was founded by Ch. Rahmat Ali. Liaquat Ali Khan joined Muslim League in 1924. Sindh separated from Bombay in 1935. The system of diarchy, two authorities, was in operation from 1921 to 1937. Check it. Diarchy introduced in 1919 reforms and removed in 1935 Act. Diarchy was introduced as a constitutional reform by E.S. Montagu and Lord Chelmsford. Diarchy divided India into 8 major provinces, excluding Burma. Jinnarajendra Prasal formula came in 1935. Provincial elections held in 1937. Per report about Congress ministries came in 1938. Sharif report about Bihar came in 1939. Muslims observed Day of Deliverance on December 22, 1939. A committee under the chairmanship of Raja Maud Mehdi was appointed to inquire into Congress ministries. August offer was offered by Viceroy Lord Linlithgow in 1940. Cripps visited India in 1942. Quit India movement started in 1942. Simla Conference, June, 1945, was presented by Lord Wavell. Wavell Plan was made in 1945. In 1945, Labour Party came to power. In 1945, elections Mill won 428 out of 492 seats. In 1946, Quaid decided to join interim government in India. J.N. Mondal was the non-Muslim member who became a minister in interim government, on ML behalf. On the arrival of Simon Commission, ML was divided into Maud, Shafi and Quaid groups. Unionists' ministry was in Punjab. Founder of Unionist Party in Punjab was Sir Fazil Hussain. Sir Saini Rawat was the president of Rawat Committee whose objective was to check Home Rule movement. Real name of Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Burma separated from India in 1935 and was made independent in 1947. Sindh Assembly passed the resolution for the creation of PAC, firstly on June 26, 1947. Lahore Resolution was presented in 27th session of Muslim League at Monto Park, now Iqbal Park, on March 23, 1940 by Fazal Al-Kak of Bengal. Quaid presided the session. The book Last Dominion was written by Carthill. Divide and Quit is a Titan by Penderell Moon. Mission with Mountbatten written by Campbell Johnson. Liaquat Desai Pact was concluded in 1946. Cabinet Mission announced its plan on May 16, 1946. Cabinet Mission consisted of 8 members. ML accepted cabinet mission but Congress rejected it. Muslim League observed Direct Action Day on August 16, 1946. On July 18, 1947, British Parliament passed Indian Independence Bill. MP of England at the time of independence of PAC, was Lord Cunett-Itelli. Redcliffe Award announced on August 15, 1947. On April 1947, All India States Conference was held in Gwalior. Inquilab Zindabad slogan was given by Mohammad Iqbal.